Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and today I'm going to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the wallpaper section, and then if you want to select one of the pre-installed wallpapers on your device, you go to my wallpapers and select one of those, or you can set your own image or like photo by going to the gallery. Then you have to select an image which you want to set as your lock screen wallpaper. Tap done. Then select lock screen. Here you can adjust this image, how it would look, and then tap set on lock screen. And as you can see, now I have one image on my home screen and another one on my lock screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.